Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to you with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value here in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the market open. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short here on Tesla, 147.12. Short meaning making money if prices go down. So it is going down. So I was able to pull off. Still have 100 shares left. We're at the VWAP though, which has got me a little bit worried, but I want to give it a chance to see if it can push down through that level, which it does. So took off another 50 there. I'm going to take off another 50. Oh, look at that. Could not have $250 on the dot. Literally not $250 and 25 cents, $250. So a nice opening first trade there. Let's take a look around what's going on with Netflix. So maybe something right there at 284. If you do hear typing, that's just me making alerts in my private community that I offer. All right, I will go ahead and pause for now. But yes, first trade opening up with $250. Okay, watching NVIDIA here, 160.50 as a potential area to go short. But as it bounces back up now, never mind on that one. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, watching 161.50 here, potential short on NVIDIA. In at 161.62, so close enough. Let's see if this thing wants to come down a bit. Took off half there. Took off another half there. We're at VWAP, so got me a little sketched out, so I'll just take that for another quick scalp. $414. It is 9:40, 10 minutes in, and the question I now need to consider is, do I just want to call it good? And to explain and give a little context here, I do what's called the be done in 30 approach. Meaning on average, keyword being on average, I want to be done after right around 30 minutes. So today I could have a day where I'm well under average and I have, let's just call it $400 in my pocket. And you know, I think I'm going to take that. Now I get it, Clay, why would you do that? You can stick around and make more money. And you're not wrong, but also keep in mind you can lose money too. But I do this not because I'm trying to maximize the bottom line, not because I'm trying to make a bunch of money, because at this stage in my life, father of 5 kids, I want the freedom of time, right? I don't want the Lamborghini. I don't want the private jet. I don't want the Rolex watch. Now, if that's why you're trading or whatever, cool, go for it. I hope you accomplish that goal. But like I said, for this season of my life, where I'm at, the commodity, the quote unquote object that I value most is time itself. And if I can put $400 in my pocket after 10 minutes, you know what? I'm going to take that. I'm going to do that all day long. And trading is just one of many streams of income for myself. That's why I call it a side hustle, because I have all sorts of side hustles, but this is just one of many. And I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can put $400 into your pocket after only 10 minutes. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. I'm going to move on with my day and, you know, just spend time with my family, work on my real estate investing, my teaching business at claytrader.com. And like I said, I just want that flexibility of time. But there we go. 2 quick trades, both worked out nicely. So up 414, but with commissions, let's just call it $400 to make it nice and even. So $400, 10 minutes, I'll take it. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.